Hello guys, my name is Denchik and welcome to the Svirsky waterfall, and it's my favorite place here in the south of the Russia, and today is amazing day because we have a lot of water here. So let's go to this trail, it will be awesome. As usual, we started from our railway station. It's very early morning and Alice still asleep, me too, I think. And we have extra 20 minutes to our train, and I hope it will be not so full because it's winter and we go to the waterfalls, and I think it's not a popular place now. So, yeah, let's see you in the train. We have this nice home-cooked sandwiches, no, burgers, sorry. And look at this. We have this perfect breakfast with amazing, unbelievable sunrise. How's it? And yeah, bon appetit. Let's start this. I hope it will be a perfect travel. Bon appetit. Okay, we're here. It's Lazarevskaya, near Sochi, and we have a lot of time to this travel. I think it will be near 15, maybe 20 minutes to go to its exit, yeah? Near 20 minutes to go to our start of this way to the waterfalls. And now we will go through this little town near Black Sea. And yeah, I think we have to buy a little stuff, maybe some brewski, I don't know. A little, yeah. And we will go there. This is our turn. Little river, and go right, yeah. I think it's near 10 minutes to the start. Cold? Yeah. And it's like, I think it's like hostels with some place to chill, and of course it's Black Sea there in maybe 50 meters. Look at this nice beauty. Take it, please. Kitty, 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 kitty. So nice. Yeah, we really love cats.
I love cats.
They're so cute. Look at this.
Oh,
Fluffy.
So cute.
Nice.
Nice.
Have a nice day. Finally, we're here at the start. And by the way, look at these guys. We have some. Look at this. Woo! Woo! How many? Oh, little kitty.
Oh, nice.
Fluffy place. Look at this gray. And I love this one, like tiger. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They are fighting. Oi. Grab the kitty. A lot of kitties. And we go there, and maybe it will be for free. This way. We had some problems with tickets because we don't have cash, and it was problems with internet, but we did it. and you can see these little bridges through over river. I love these bridges. Looks nice, and it's very comfortable. A lot of water, it's most important thing, and I hope that it will be a lot of water in waterfalls too. We have a lot of tables for picnic with this nice river, and by the way, it's massive area for barbecue zone. Look at this. And it's useful with rain too, so nice, so big. And here, this one is our table, because I don't know why we were here in the last time, and we love it because you can see this nice river. So we will stop here. It's our fireplace. I will clean it, of course. And yeah, I think we're ready to cook some meat. We have this nice meat pieces with bone. Look at this. Look at this, guys. And do it like this. It's one. And it's bams.
Are you ready? It's time to eat.
Whoa.
Yeah. Look at that.
So nice. Look at these beauties. Whoa, 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 whoa!
It's dog.
Be careful. Nice.
Nice. It's doggy time.
Where it? For doggy?
Doggy, doggy, doggy. Look, 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 look.
Nice.
Doggy.
Yes,
Doggy.
okay. What is it?
Pickles.
Nice. Like topping. Okay, we are ready. And look at this. So nice. And it will be another bon appetit for you. Maybe number 2 for us. And are you ready?
Yes.
Take it. Perfect. Yeah. Bon appetit. Lovely. I said it in my one of my videos from Russian blog. It's the best meat for picnic, because bone with meat with fat, it's it's perfect. Take it. We have problems. Yeah. Okay, now we will eat it all, I think, yeah, and then we will go to the first waterfall, because we came here for waterfalls, not for it only, but it's very important. So, yeah, see you in the waterfalls. We have to go there, but here we have one extra waterfall, and in fact it works only with a lot of water. And today it's this day, so let's go to check it. I have to go there. Nice, but still not enough water. And now we have to go to the main waterfall, to the Svirsky, because if we have water here, there it will be epic. Let's go. Finally. Do you want to see this perfect waterfall? Yes, look at these bridges, and in fact it's only the start, and you can trust me that it will be epic because it's a lot of water here. Let's go. This is my favorite place here, and look at this big perfect canyon with a lot of trees, a lot of water, this light river, but it's light only in this place because there it will be awesome. Yeah, let's go. It's like rain, so whoa, let's go. By the way, Alice, let's. And are you ready for this epic stuff? Svirsky waterfall. I don't need to say anything. Just look at this. I think it's perfect. A lot of water, so massive. And when I was here 4 or 5 years ago, I don't know, it was winter too, I stayed there. But now it's like 1 meter with water, and look at this, so massive. Woo-hoo-hoo. I love this place. Yeah, it's my favorite. Let's go to the Alice. Alice, come here. Let's go. Yeah. First of all, if you will be here, maybe, I don't know, you have to watch this waterfall, because then we will have another waterfall, but it's the main thing. You have to go here only about this.
Hi.
So nice. I think we have to film like this. Yeah.
Oh.
And it's only the start of this way, in fact, but it's the most important, especially with this, a lot of water.
So more.
And I love these rocks. Look at this, so fresh, a lot of greens, and it's like canyon, and you go in like narrow way, and mountains here, so nice.
Greece is over. Greece is over here.
Yeah, it's winter now,
Yeah.
and you can see that all this stuff is green. Yeah, and the same in the summer, but not enough water, of course.
It's beautiful.
Perfecto.
I stayed here in summer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, in fact, yeah, we stay this place, maybe closer,
Yeah.
but now it's unbelievable. Look at this.
So water.
Yeah, nice. It's a little bigger than in our bathroom. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, we have problems.
Yeah. Dirty Denchik.
We have some dirty stuff right here.
Hey.
It's perfect. Yeah, and I wanted to say that it's a perfect way if you go to the forest to the travel with some rainy weather like this, because I did it all times. At the start of my way, I do like this, and now don't worry about my legs, water, rivers and other. It's perfect, because while you will go, it will be okay with you. and of course at home you have to drink some hot tea, hot bathroom and other stuff. We have to go there, but I think it's a little dangerous because it's a lot of water here, and we decided maybe we will stay here and go back. We have 2 extra waterfalls there, and in fact you can see these videos from this, but now it's dangerous because it's a lot of water, and I think we will finish this track of waterfalls here, and we will have a lot of time to go back, to go to the sea and do some chill at the beach. Welcome to the sea. It's follow Alice. It's really fun that sorry for the sound, maybe it will be with wind, but it's fun that there is no people here. Be careful. I think it's okay.
Yes.
And we have this nice sun. No people, massive wind, and some chicken. So let's go to find a place to sit, and it will be like our lunch, maybe dinner. Let's go there. We have this nice place, Alice, some chicken stuff here and here, and look at this little guy. He's hungry. Oh, so nice. We can't feed it.
No.
Yeah, it's from these people, but it's so cute. I think it's perfect view to finish this video. We have some chicken.
Мы его не кормили, если что.
So hungry. Yeah. Finally, yeah. We have near 10 hours to our train, and we will eat this stuff, Alice. Yes. And we have some cider. I don't know. Cheers. And yeah, it's all. Unfortunately, we don't see all waterfalls, but it's okay. We saw the main, and it was epic. And yeah, it's a very nice day. I think it's good travel.
Yes.
And the best thing, we have extra 2 days to chill. Yeah. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. See you tomorrow, and finally for you this perfect view of the sea. Goodbye.